Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression without using the calculator. If we have 19 to the power of 5 minus 19 is equals to what? We write this into the simplified form. So here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to write the exponent of this term as this is 19 to the power of 5. We write this 5 as 4 plus 1 minus this is 19. And here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponents, we break this exponent as in this form. This is 19 to the power of 4 multiplied by 19 to the power of 1 minus this is our 19. And further in the next step, you see here both of these two terms involve 19, so that we will take common 19 from here and we get the remaining values are 19 to the power of 4 minus 1. So that in the next step we rewrite this expression as this is 19 times of 19 to the power of 4. We write this 19 to the power of 4 as 19 square and its whole square. And further in the next step we have this is minus 1. We write this minus 1 as 1 square. And in the next step we use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this formula, you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So here we just substitute the above values of a and b into the below formula. So after substituting these two values, it will be written as this is 19 times here first factor is a minus b. Here the value of a is 19 square minus the value of b is 1, and in this case we have this is 19 square and plus the value of b is 1. So here our next target is to find the value of 19 square. So the 19 square is means that here we just take 19 square, and 19 square means that we multiply 19 with 19. So here I can give you a nice trick of multiplication in which you don't need calculator or you don't need any long calculations. So that here first we need to break this 19 as into the form of tens and ones. So we write it as 10 plus 9. And further in the next step we multiply 19 separately on both of these values, and it will become 19 multiplied by 10 plus 19 is multiplied by 9. And now here in the next step, this is the trivial multiplication. 19 times 10 becomes here 190 plus this is 19 times 9 becomes here first we multiply 9 with 9, you get here 9 9s are 81. We write 1 and carry 8. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 8 becomes here 17. And now here further in the next step we need to sum up both of these two values, and it will becomes 0 plus 1 becomes here 1. 9 plus 7 becomes here 16. We write 6 and carry 1. So this is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So it means that 19 square is equals to 361. And now here in the next step we move backward and we substitute this value of 19 square on both of these values, so that our above expression is copied down here. So we have 19 to the power of 5 minus 19 is equals to 19 times of 19 square minus 1 into 19 square plus 1. Okay, so here we substitute this value of 19 square. So when we put it here, it will becomes 19 times of this is 361 minus 1, and this will becomes 361 plus 1. From here we obtained this is 19 times of this will becomes 360. This will becomes 362. So now here first we need to multiply these two bigger values, and our resulting answer is multiplied by this 19. So here we break this 362 as. So now we break this 362 as in the form of 100, tens and 1. So it will becomes 300 plus 60 plus 2. And here further first we multiply this 360 on each of these values, and it will becomes here this is 19 multiplied by 360 multiplied by 300 plus 360 is multiplied by 60 plus 360 is multiplied by 2. And here we need to multiply each all of these values. So that here first we consider this is one digit number, this is our three digit numbers, and it will be written as this is 0 times this number becomes 0, this 0 times this number also always becomes 0, and 3 times this number equals to 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, we write 8 and carry 1, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 becomes here 10. Plus in the same pattern we multiply these two values and you get here 0 times this number becomes 0, 6 times this number equals to 6 zeros are 0, 6 6 are 36, we write 6 and carry 3, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 becomes here 21, and plus at the last we will be multiplied 2 with this value and you get here 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, we write 2 and carry 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 becomes here 7, and at the last and its resulting answer is multiplied by this 19. Okay, so here in the next step first we need to sum up all of these values, and when we add all of these values you get here 0 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 0, this 0 plus 0 plus 2 becomes 2, this 0 plus 6 becomes 6, 6 plus 7 becomes here 13, we write 3 and carry 1, so this is 8 plus 1 becomes 9, 9 plus 1 becomes 10, we write 0 and carry 1, so this is 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, and at the last we will be get here 1 only. So here we get 130,320 and it is multiplied by this 19, and we break this 19 as into the form of tens and ones, so it is 10 plus 9. So here in the final step we need to multiply this value separately on both of these values. So when you multiply this with 10 you get here 130,320, and we just add this 10 here, and plus in the next step we need to multiply this complete value with this 9. So we will get here 9 times 0 becomes here 0, 9 times 2 becomes 18, we write 8 and carry 1, 9 times 3 becomes 27, 27 plus 1 is 28, we write 8 and carry 2, 9 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 9 3s are 27, we write 7 and carry 2, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 2 becomes here 11. So here our final step we need to sum up these values and we get a final destination. So this is 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 0 plus 8 becomes 8, 2 plus 8 becomes 10, we write 0 and carry 1, so 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, this 0 plus 7 is 7, this 3 plus 1 is 4, and at the last we get here 1 plus 1 becomes here 2. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.